How to complete your to-do list. Did this question ever came to your mind? If yes, I am here to answer all your queries. Hey guys, this is AnjuJindal, trainer and entrepreneur by profession, having 15 years of experience into training and placements. After working with thousands of students and working professionals, I have come up with 3 secrets which will help you to make and complete your to-do list. Did you ever had these questions in your mind? Did you ever made to-do list and did not completed it? Do you not believe in making to-do list? Do you ever understand the power of to-do list? If answer to any of these questions is yes, then this is for you guys. Trust me, this will not only change your planning of to-do list, but will help you to achieve your goals because this is a formula which has been taken out after working with many successful people and also applied to certain people to make them successful. Now, before we start off, what is a to-do list? A to-do list is simple tabular list in which we write our tasks so that we can complete it. It can be in our diaries, on our smartphones or computers. The format can be any, but the simple look is like this. Now, I am here with 3 secrets which will make and complete your to-do list. So, how many of you would like to know this? If yes, just type in bring it on, guys. Okay, so my secret number 1 is CSIW matrix. This CSIW matrix means C means crisis and pressing problems. These needs to be managed. S stands for strategies and values, which needs to be focused. You need to avoid interruptions and busy work, which I stands for. And W stands for wasteful activities, which has to be limited in your day-to-day routine. Now, a simple CSIW matrix is basically your tasks are divided into 4 different quadrants, wherein the quadrant will represent urgent, not urgent, important, not important tasks of your life. The first quadrant, as you can see, is urgent and important quadrant. This urgent and important quadrant tells you the task which has to be done right now as it deals with deadlines and pressing problems. These things require immediate attention. You cannot postpone them. Examples can be your breakdown of a car, your medical checkup because you are ill, or there is a call for some kind of client. So these are some tasks which cannot be avoided and you need to do it as and when they come. The second task stands for not urgent and important tasks which can be done later, but you need to be proactive because these are the tasks which are related to your long-term goals. And if they are planned properly, they are done properly, you will surely achieve your goals. The third quadrant specifies your tasks which are urgent but not at all important. These tasks need to be delegated because it takes your major time of your life. And this happens because you are not able to say no to people. The example can be you are in an office for a specific meeting and there is a phone call from your boss who wants to have a report right now from you. So this is a task which should be done later on because the meeting is important as of right now. So these tasks should be delegated. There is some kind of report which has to be made, but it is needed later on. So these tasks to be either delegated or should be done later on. The fourth quadrant specifies not urgent, not important tasks, which are unwanted activities, and these tasks needs to be removed from your to-do list. As trust me, people, we are spending a lot of our time into it, and they do not result in any way for us, and they are not contributing in our goals by any means. So what are these tasks? Can anybody tell me? These are tasks which are Facebook scrolling, gossiping. So these are things which we should not be spending time on. Now, after dividing these tasks into these four quadrants, we will come up with our four major takeaways. The first one would be the tasks which are to be immediately done, which will be called as medium tasks. The tasks which are we planned and where we should spend maximum time, they are called as big tasks. The third tasks are called as easy tasks, which either should be delegated or should be rescheduled, or we should be spending time on them when other tasks are completed. Fourth are the ones which we should not be spending time on. So basically, CSIW metrics help us to identify our big, medium, and easy tasks. Now, after this, we will be able to analyze the big task, which gives us satisfaction, which brings us one step closer to our long-term goals. We also will recognize our medium tasks, which are important and urgent to be done, and they are deadlines or sudden changes in circumstances. We will also be able to recognize our easy tasks, which may not be very important for our long-term goals, but impacts our daily life, like grocery shopping, etc. Now, after this, what you need to do, guys? I have an action plan for you. You simply have to make your CSIW matrix by which you will effectively plan your resources. The first thing in to-do list is you need to effectively plan your resources and your tasks. And after making it, you can surely send it to me. The email ID and details are mentioned in the caption. Remember, guys, you need to be proactive. You need to say no when needed to be effective. So effectiveness comes when you are proactive and when you say no to the things which do not need your attention. I will be waiting for your CSIW matrix and will get back to you one-on-one to discuss it. After knowing your important tasks of your life, now you need to start planning it, when to do it. For that, our secret number 2 comes into picture. Secret number 2, anybody can tell me? It is very simple. It is called as 135 formula. Now you would be wondering, what is 135 formula? 135 formula stands for 1 big tasks, 3 medium tasks, and 5 easy tasks. Yes, guys, your to-do list should be planned in this way only. Your to-do list every day should consist of 1 big task, which is required for your life goal achievement, 3 medium tasks, which is very important for your life goal achievement, and 5 easy tasks, which may not be very important for your life goal achievement, but are required to be done on your day-to-day basis. Once you write it down, you have to be writing it in a proper way. What you need to do is, you need to block your time according to your energy levels in the day. Do you understand that we as human beings have different energy levels at different times of the day? So what we need to do is, we need to write it on timely basis, mentioning the biggest task when we have the highest energy in the day, which is majorly in the morning timings of our day. But it can vary from people to people. The big task should be assigned maximum time of your day and should be given highest priority. Assigning it first in the list will not only make sure that it is done, but it is done with more effectiveness will also be assured by it. Then 3, medium tasks should be assigned the medium energy level timings, which are majorly afternoon timings, because after spending our day morning time, we are low on our energy. These 3 medium tasks will also has to be taken care before 4 o'clock. Then 5 easy tasks after 4 o'clock when we are low on our energy. This will help us to complete our maximum required task in a day, and if needed, the postponement or rescheduling will happen for the low energy tasks. So this formula will help me to complete my tasks, which are big task and medium task, that was important task of our life and important and urgent task of our life. After knowing this, are you blown on? Okay, so blown on. If I would appreciate a comment from your side mentioning that this works for you or this did not work for you. Your to-do list is now ready in synchronization with the energy level according to the day. Now delay will not happen, and if happen, it will be for the easy and the smaller tasks. I am again coming up with an action plan for you. After making your CSIW model, you need to also make your to-do list using 135 formula. This also you can send me on the details mentioned below. Now, as you know your important tasks, you have also planned it, but planning has to be done according to the secret number 3. Now, what is the secret number 3? Secret number 3 talks about how much to plan. Do I need to plan for a day or for a week or for a month? What I have seen working with so many people, the people who are planning for a week are able to complete their tasks more easily as compared to people who are doing it for a day, because we lose out on certain tasks. And also from the people who are doing monthly planning, because after a certain time it becomes monotonous and we skip following these plans. My secret number 3 is do weekly planning, and weekly planning for 2 things. First, daily focus area and tasks. What are these? We will just see in our next slide. My weekly schedule looks like this, wherein I have days on it, and every day consists of daily focus area, big tasks, medium tasks, and small tasks. Now you must be wondering, what is this daily focus? For example, I am into training and certain other things also. So every day of mine have a different work to be done. Like my Monday and Thursdays are for video recording for my online courses. So daily focus of Monday and Thursday is video recording. But when I come to Tuesday, Saturday, and Friday, these are for my sessions. So these days, daily focus area is session planning and doing these sessions, conducting it, assessments to be conducted. So that is my focus area. Wednesday is basically for my editing stuffs and other office works which I need to be done. Saturday is for my audit for a whole week, wherein accounting needs to be checked on and every other small things which are for a week, which I have been doing. So this is how I have divided my week. Everybody does so. So if I will focus on one thing on a day, my things will be done more efficiently. So Monday, same way, Tuesday will also consist of daily focus, big tasks, medium tasks, and small tasks. And so on can be done for a week. It has to be done at least for a week. Then Sunday or Saturday, we can review it. If any changes are required, we can do it. We can also check our weekly schedule if there is some kind of change needed. During the week, we can find that some things are not working for us. So we can always analyze it. And if needed, we can always do the replanning. This is how I do it. You can do it as per your schedule. After knowing the three secrets, which are CSIW model, 135 formula, and weekly schedule, you also need to take care of some small points, which are you need to do it not in your minds, you need to do it in your diaries, organizers, or mobile applications or computers. I like the method of old school, which is diary, handwritten, and putting it in on our beds. So this is how I like it. You can follow the method which works for you. If mobile reminders work for you, you can do it that way. Once you make it, you also need to take care that you keep it at a place where it is in front of you. Most of the people make it and keep it in their bags, which they look out after half of the day is complete. You should always keep it at a place where you can see it maximum time. What I do is I keep a copy of it on my bed so that whenever I get up or when I'm sleeping, I am just having a look at it. So that is how it keeps me reminding that these are to be done. Don't believe in multitasking. This is my third advice. I see people doing multitasking, but if one thing is done at one time, it is more effective and more result oriented, as we have been doing in weekly schedule where we have planned our daily focus. Now, as you know these secrets, you have your things ready. What are you waiting for? Go and do your stuffs, guys. Always remember in all this, you need to analyze and replan if needed, because one plan can work for one but not for all. So always do the analysis, and if some changes needed, you can always do it. As two action plans are being given to you, one which is making your CSIW model, second is planning your 135 formula, which both you need to send. You also need to send me your weekly schedule. And if any queries come to your mind, you can always write to me. I'm always there for you. After all this, now you are not only in a position to make your to-do list, but you will surely complete it, because most of the successful people are doing it, guys. It's just you need to do it. Nobody else will do it. This is how you can plan it and you can do it. 1 or 2 weeks, it will find it difficult to do it, but then you will get into the habit of it. I have learned by doing it. I did not have somebody to guide me. I am here to guide you. So please take this advice, follow these three simple secrets, which most of the people are following, and this is here for you, and you can do it. Guys, I'm looking forward to hear from you. Suggestions, I always welcome. The details where to send it is mentioned in the caption. You can just see there and you can get back to me. In case you are looking for more interesting videos like this on any topic of your interest, you can always write back to me. I will be making more such videos in future. If you need something, you can always tell me. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. The links are mentioned down below. Thank you, guys. It was nice interacting with you. Hope you have a nice day.